Hi guys, Mark here. Thank you for joining me. In this tutorial, we're going to be making a multicolored spiral hitched wrap, which you can use to decorate various handles. I'm going to demonstrate on a handle 1 inch in diameter. For my cords, I'm going to be using 95 cord, different colors, in lengths of about 2 feet per cord. We begin by joining 2 cords together. I like to do this with a candle. It keeps both of my hands free for the joining process. I'm going to place one of my colors alongside my handle and start hitching with the other color. A hitch, a second one. 2 hitches will lock your cord into place. We're going to hitch over the joint section to hide it out of sight. Move it as close to your hitches as possible and place your cord diagonally like this. Continue your hitching. In my case, I'm going for a total of 6 of these hitches. After my hitching, I'm going to trim the working end and join in a new cord. I'm going to make a hitch with my second cord, pass my new cord under this hitch, and tighten up. Just like with my first cord, I'm going to cover up the joint section. Try to keep this cord as close to your hitches as possible. So diagonally like this. So again, I'm going for a total of 6 of these hitches. I'm trimming the end. Joining in a new one. I make a hitch. Using my third cord, I place my new cord under this new hitch, tighten up. hiding the joint section out of sight. Again, you will want your cord traveling diagonally like this, right next to your hitches. When done, again trim the end, join in a new cord. Make a hitch, pass the new cord under it, tighten up. We are again going to cover the joint section using a number of hitches. Your cord should be traveling alongside your hitches diagonally. At this point, I think you understand the whole process. Let's do one more cord, then I'm going to show you how to finish. When we're finishing up, we're not attaching another cord onto our working end. Instead, we do a hitch, pass the working end under it, tighten up. I'm going to introduce a small folded piece of thread, which I'm going to place like this. So the bite is here on the right. I continue my hitching, again 6 times. After this, I'm going to pass my working end through the bite and pull it back under my hitching. I'm going to trim the 2 ends . Optionally, lightly melt them. This concludes our colorful hitching. So that's it for this tutorial. Thank you for joining me and see ya next time.